Hello guys, today we will discuss about the how you will be earn low content book, develop low content book and earn up to the 455 555 dollars in one book, single one book. And we got some real examples how much earning, how to earn this type of the amount we will only for creating one low content puzzle books. You can easily earn this type of the monies. You so without your wasting your times, I will be start this video. Please check out my all the videos. You will be find out the earning tips, how which type of the niche selections, KDP, Amazon's earning potentials, what is the KDP and how much potential to earn this type of the website from the Amazon KDP. So we go to the Amazon's. First of all, we check out the how much amount of the money, how much amount the potential of this niche puzzle making, dotted puzzle making for the kids. If you see in the Amazon's, we search dotted puzzle, dotted puzzles for kids. If you search, you see so many types of the books are available. You will be see different needs, different search result they are the showing in this the field. So easily you will be earn how much amount of the money, how much amount of the money you will be potential of this type of the niche. You see 100 dot to dot animals paperback, this type of the books they are created and rating is 106 to 6 rating are the getting from the customers. And you check out the different so many type of the books are available. And this book is create very easy. You really very easy, this type of the book you will be created very easy, will not without any so much hard working. This type of the book create in the PPTs like Canvas, and so many software are now available to do this type of the books. Very easy created, and once the create you will be published in the Amazon KDP and you will be earn up to 4,500 rupees, $500 per month or per books. So my friends, you will be today we will describe the how to create and this type of the what is the potential of this type of the books, this type of the niche you will be selected, how much the potential of the earning potential from this type of the books. So we select like this type these books, and we check out how much earning potential of these books. So what happened whenever we first of all we 1834 ratings are getting from the customers. So what happened so see this type of the book is getting up to 1834 ratings. So what happened, we select this niche and go to Excel sheet. So we select this type of the niche and go to Excel sheet and typing of the 1834 ratings, and listed price of this book is the 9.77. So we put out the value and what how much royalty will be give this book. So we go to the Amazon calculators and all the data will be filled 64 books, and these are the black and white interior white papers and paper book Amazon, and this type of the listed book. So we calculated the royalty will get is $3.59. So with $3.59 we will put here the total earning of this book is the multiply by of the 1.834 into $3.59. This book is making 6,584 $4 earning from this potential. We check out other books. So we go to these other books and we what happened, this type of the books will be getting review from the customers is 1026, and this listed price is the $10.98, and the royalty will calculated from the Amazon royalty calculators, and there's get it is $4.44. So total earning of these books which was is the $4,555 this book is making. So easily this type of the niche you will be making much more better earning potentials. And you see so many types of the book available, and so many authors are publishing this type of the books, and you with this type of the books earning very potential. So you will be I it's a request to you, please create this type of the books and publish to a KDP, and you will be on money from this type of the niche. You will be earn money is the more much better than the other niche. So what how much how to this type of the book create. So we got some different websites, and you will be check out these websites, and you will be easily create this type of the objective, dotted objective easily. Okay, so first of all we go to this website, which was is the very easy. And if you are the so many type of the website are available, like this type of the website also available. If you see in this objective, this type of the also dotted objective will be created. And whatever you want to do, which whatever type of your object will be draw here, and you will be create here and downloads. And this download will be go to your the PowerPoint PPT, and you will be create the book. This one website is also there. Other website is also here, which is the direct give to your object. Okay, and you will be save the image, and image will be go to the your PowerPoint, and you will be easily earn money from this type of the websites. We all the website whatever you we check out, if we go to in the descriptions, you will be easily they check out this website, and you will be earn money from them. So different so many type of the object available in these websites, and you will be download this image, and you will be go to PowerPoints or Canvas, and you will be create this type of the object all books, which was is the very easy. And you will be upload these books in your KDP Amazon books, and download books, and publish to your the KDP account. So easily this type of the earning very potentials, this type of the niche, and you will be earn what much better than the we show. We actually we define this type of the money you will be get, but actually I saw this niche is the more than $10,000 in particular one book, easily enable this type of the book. So I so many website we will give in the my description. Please check out all the check out all the websites, and you will be create this type of the books. So easily you will be earn much better there. So my dear guys, you will be check all the my videos. We create the KDP niche and a online earning platform, and how much amount of the potential to do these things. Please check out all the videos, like, share and subscribe. Please subscribe my channels. Thank you.